Welcome students. Reaching adolescence. Grade 8. Subject Biology. Aim. Able to describe the changes and the role of hormones in adolescence in males and females and explain chromosome determination. Keywords: adolescence, ovulation, menstruation, hormones, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, chromosomes. Introduction. All living organisms grow and reproduce. Now we have learned about how animals reproduce their own kind. It is only after a certain age that animals and human beings start reproducing. Next, we will going to study about changes during adolescence. On reaching the age of 10 or 11, this period between childhood and adulthood, in physical, mental, physiological changes takes place in an individual is adolescence. The age of 11th to 19th is teen age. The most remarkable changes during adolescence is puberty, incapable of reproduction. Girls begin puberty earlier than boys. The changes in the body during puberty are increase in height, elongation of bones, arms and legs. Sweat glands and sebaceous glands for oil glands secrete sweat during puberty. Glands become more active, causing pimples on the face. Hair develops, development of reproductive organs, the various stages in the reproductive base of females. The puberty is differentiate between boys and girls. In boys, the shoulders become broader, but girls' pelvic region becomes wider and broader. The boys have larynx is develop a deeper voice, but girls are usually high pitched. Boys are facial hair, chest hair developed, but girls' development of enlargement of breasts take place. These are the difference between the puberty. The female reproductive cycle are changes that occur once about every lunar month 28 days in the female reproductive organs of ovary and uterus. During the reproductive period from puberty 11 to 14 years until menopause is 40 to 45 years. Already I take this class these points. Different hormones are secreted in our body. These hormones are sex hormones and non-sex hormones. Sex hormones are male and female have testes and ovaries. Testes have the hormones is testosterone. Ovaries is estrogen. Non-sexual hormones pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland. These males and females are present. Now we are going to study about determination of sex. A boy or a girl will be born depends on the type of chromosomes. The nucleus of each cell in the humans has 46 thread-like structures called chromosomes. The fusion of male and female gametes produces the zygote. In the zygote, 23 chromosomes are received from the mother ovum and 23 chromosomes are received from the father ovum. Out of 46 chromosomes, the male has one X and Y chromosome. The female has two X chromosomes. These are the sex chromosomes. Therefore, a female zygote has 44 plus XX chromosomes. Male zygote has 44 and XY chromosomes. These are the sexual chromosomes. Now we are going to study about adolescence and health, basic needs during adolescence, nutritional requirements of adolescence, personal hygiene, physical exercise, keeping a healthy lifestyle during adolescence, smoking tobacco cigarette causing lung cancer, heart attack, chewing tobacco causes oral cancer, alcohol consumption causes damage to kidneys, stomach, liver, drug overdoses can cause death, sexual activity cause HIV or AIDS. These are the adolescence health. We will study about very well. Thank you, students.